Look around you. The chair you're sitting on, the floor beneath your feet, and the bustling cityscapes outside are undeniably solid. They are tangible. When you zoom out to the scale of galaxies, you encounter a cosmos packed with physical matter, trillions of tons of it. This graph represents the total radiant energy of the observable universe. Every single star, every black hole, and every individual atom represents an incomprehensibly large amount of positive energy. We experience this energy as weight. The physical world feels undeniably real because we interact with its density every second of our lives. This overwhelming abundance of positive energy is the core trait of our perceived reality. It is the inventory we've used to define the universe. But when we audit where this inventory actually came from, we run into a physical crime.
John Hands notes in Cosmo Sapiens that our accepted model for the universe's beginning requires all this energy to have exploded into existence from a state of absolute nothingness. This model immediately hits a roadblock, James Joule's conservation of energy principle. It is a foundational law of physics stating that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. The mathematical contradiction is stark. If the universe started with zero energy, then a cosmos currently bursting with positive matter is an illegal violation of the laws of thermodynamics. If we follow these strict foundational laws to their logical end, the physical universe, and everyone in it, theoretically should not exist. Resolving this paradox requires a forensic cosmic audit. We have to find a hidden variable on the other side of the ledger that finally accounts for all this matter. We know the assets side of the ledger. All physical matter, light, and atomic structures are classified as positive energy. A shadow ledger begins to appear when we examine Stephen Hawking's work on general relativity and how massive objects interact with the structure of spacetime. Einstein theorized gravity is a consequence of massive objects curving the fabric of spacetime. Flat space is the zero baseline. Curving space creates a deficit, digging a hole into that zero point. This gravitational field is expressed mathematically as a negative value. Gravity acts as the hidden debt of the cosmos. For every ounce of positive matter created, an equal amount of negative gravitational energy is generated to balance the books. The zero-energy hypothesis views the Big Bang as the moment nothingness violently fractured into perfectly equal positive and negative halves. When we execute the final cosmic calculation, adding the near-infinite positive energy of matter to the near-infinite negative energy of gravity, the two colossal forces perfectly annihilate each other. The sum of the entire universe is zero. The cosmic ledger is perfectly balanced. The universe is a closed system that fundamentally possesses zero net energy. John Hands suggests that this zero-sum reality turns human existence into a temporary variable in a cold math problem. Everything we touch, build, and love is a mathematical illusion, balancing precariously on a razor's edge of nothingness. However, in the Tao of Physics, Fritjof Capra looks at this zero through a different lens, questioning if a mathematical void is truly empty. Capra notes that modern physics mirrors ancient Eastern mysticism, viewing the universe as a dynamic, pulsating web where matter and space are fundamentally one. This creates an existential paradox. We simultaneously exist as an empty mathematical void and an overflowing ocean of cosmic energy. Every event in the history of the cosmos is a brief, temporary rounding error. The final answer to reality is exactly zero.